is Philemon Morara Abiemi. I come from this area. My home is actually just across there. I'm an advocate of the High Court of Kenya. I practice in Nairobi. Our law firm is also engaged in corporate social responsibility, especially in Nairobi. This is the first time we've partnered with ICAP, this OSA, and we are really, really happy to be associated with all that is going on. I'm really touched seeing people with disabilities coming here, some of them being carried. I'm really humbled. And our law firm will partner more, will divert more attention to our area here. And God bless us all. You see, legally, a child is a child, disabled or not. So, whenever the rights of a disabled child are violated, it is quite criminal, and the parents should be cautioned. There are departments in government that deal with such issues, so they shouldn't be discriminated in any way. We've seen very successive disabled people. So we are all equal. It's only that, in one way or the other, we have challenges.